Hello guys! Many people struggle with their drawings, either because it looks too childish or because they don't know what the basic proportions are. So to let you know how an average person's face is divided and you can draw it more realistic, I will show you in this video how you can easily do it step by step. So in this tutorial, I will only show the basic proportions. By knowing this, your drawing will look realistic and natural, and you will have a better understanding of what you are doing. If something doesn't look good, you can check it and fix it. So the first step will be drawing the outlines of the head. Draw a vertical line so you can check if the oval is equal on both sides. It's just a sketch, so don't mind it if it's not perfect. Shape is more like an upside down egg. Oh, and don't draw it too thick, because you want to adjust it later on. Let's draw a line in the middle of the oval. I call this line 1. Then we take another half of one side. This will be line 2. Take another half. And this will be the third line. So the first line is a half of the whole oval, second one 1/4, and third one 1/8. Line 1 is the line for your eyes, 2 for the nose, 3rd for the mouth. Let's draw an oval in the middle. Draw on the other side an oval of the same size. Those will be the eyes. So this is the half, 1/4, and this is the half. Sure to leave half of an oval again next to it. This also check if you're not too far or too close to the outlines of the head. So let's draw the actual eyes. I know, the eye I'm drawing right now is very difficult. But the more you practice, the better you get. draw the eyebrows. The second line is the line of the nose. Draw a small circle in the middle. That will be the tip. Then draw slightly next to it 2 brackets. You can use the edges of the eyes as guidelines. Now we will draw the mouth. Let's take the middle of this area. This will be the upper part of the lip. Use the inner circle of the iris as a guideline. Those will be the edges of the lips. Then, draw as the same height as the upper lip, the bottom lip. So now we drew the eyes, the nose and the mouth. Let's reshape the head as you like. Draw the ears. You start slightly above the eyes and then go all the way down to the nose. Draw it on the other side too. You can finally erase the guidelines. Don't use too much folds because you can crumble the paper. One third between the top and the eyes will be the hairline. If it's starting from this line, you can draw any hairstyle you like. Oh, I almost forgot to explain the neck. You can feel it on your own head, but the neck starts right beneath your ears. But it's not straight, so we will draw it slightly slanted and start here. It may look thick, but it will look natural when you add the shadows.